All right, guys, another SimpleShot pro tip, and I really want you to pay attention to this one. And this is all about your bands and your active band length. So when you get your bands, you're going to take them out of the package. And all of our bands from SimpleShot come quite long. Now let's just take a look here so we can all be on the same page. So where the bands attach to the leather pouch, right here at the ties, to the end of the band, this is our active band length right now. So that would be an active band length of 10 inches. All right, so if we apply that same formula of active band length divided by draw length to figure out where your elongation factor might lie, we can see here for 10 inches that to get an elongation factor of say 5 times or 500%, the sweet spot, we've got to draw these bands out 50 inches. Now if you draw back and anchor at your face, you do not have a draw length of 50 inches. In fact, you're only stretching those bands out about 3 times or 300%. You're not going to see great performance. So it's really important that you take your time right now to understand a couple of vital things. One, what is your draw length? Second, you're going to want to figure out what your active band length will need to be. Now here we can make a choice. We can choose to either have bands that last longer or have bands that are a little bit zippier and faster. Zippier and faster always comes at longevity. Make up your mind. So we're going to start with just a good active length. That's about 500% elongation, meaning that the rubber has been stretched 5 times its relaxed length when you anchor at your given anchor point. So we're going to use, for an example, a 30-inch draw, which is a very common length for an average face anchor. To get a 30-inch draw, we would divide 30 by 5. That's going to give us 6. That is 6 inches of active band length. Here's the big mistake folks make, though. Another mistake, mistake number 2. Where they measure from. Now you remember I said we're going to measure from the ties, where it attaches to the leather pouch, not the tip of the pouch here. So we're going to measure from here down to here 6 inches. And then we're going to want to leave about a 1/2 inch for a traditional tie-in and closer to 3/4 or 1 inch for an ocularis attachment. You want to use that because you have extra rubber that needs to be wrapped to the slingshot or attached in some fashion. Okay, so if you take these bands out of the bag and you don't have a 50-inch draw, you can expect lousy performance. Quick and simple, one of the biggest mistakes people make, tuning your bands will give you top performance and way more fun. Thanks for taking a look, and get out and shoot those tuned band slingshots.